Hi, welcome. As you can see, I've finished the Stuka. It's a 1:24 by Trumpeter, very large kit. There was just one thing I wasn't sure, and it's these decals. It says 13 to 14 and it's showing like a white diamond. Well, here's 13 and 14. So I'm not sure exactly what that is on the rudder. If you're doing the other version, the colours, on the rudder now it's showing a square with decals 7, 33 and 34. Well, decal 7 seems to be just a white circle, 33 and 34. So I'm not sure what that is. If somebody knows, and they can let me know in the comments, please. Just wanted to show you something I didn't realise of how big it was, the Stuka against the Messerschmitt BF 109. They both say they're 1:24 scale, and in like movies and documentaries I've never seen them together, so it was hard to picture of the actual size. As you can see, the Stuka is very large compared to the 109. It was a very nice kit. It was very detailed. This part I did break off 3 times. There is some silvering on the decal. I did apply a gloss coat before I put it on, then a gloss coat after, then a flat coat, but it's still showing some silvering through the decal. So there it is, the Stuka and 109 together. The Messerschmitt 109 did come with a pilot. I would have liked pilots for the Stuka, but it didn't come with any. I suppose if you looked around you would find some. But I was very interested in the size, which I didn't realise. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.